How to make insecticidal soap spray. Increasing concern over the effect of chemical-based insecticides has led many conscientious gardeners to look for better alternatives. Insecticidal soap is just that, it kills insects by entering their respiratory system and breaking down important tissues in the insect's body. Bacterial additives can also introduce a biological control component to the mix. The soap film left behind can also deter insects and other pests from feeding on the plant. Insecticidal soaps are safe, biodegradable and can be easily produced from products readily available at home improvement stores. Things you will need: dishwashing liquid, distilled water, Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria, insecticide sprayer, defoaming agent. Making insecticidal soap. Select a dishwashing liquid that does not contain a degreaser or any antibacterial agents. Fill a pump sprayer with distilled water. Add 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid for every gallon of water to produce a 1% soap solution. Stir the mixture thoroughly. Slowly add the defoaming agent, stirring the mixture until the bubbles disappear. Add Bacillus thuringiensis to the mixture by following the directions on the container. Mix thoroughly. Keep a written record of the mixture. Increase the amount of dishwashing detergent if insects are unaffected. Decrease the amount if you notice any damage to the plants. Tips: warnings. Insecticide soap solutions can burn plants if improperly applied. Avoid using insecticidal soaps during times of drought or other stress. Some plants are sensitive to soap solutions. Test your solution on a small portion of the plant first. Also, wait for new growth to harden off before treating.